Hi, are you a painting contractor or a do-it-yourselfer? Either way, if you're going to Benjamin Moore and you want to find a semi-gloss that covers, how do you know which one it is? And you probably think, well, Aura has a great reputation for covering, but does it cover better than Advanced? Does it cover better than Regal, Scuff-X, Command, Benjamin Moore Ben, or Ultra Spec 500? Well, I've been a painting contractor for 30 years and I never took the time to sit there and put 7 different samples over different types of background and see which one covered the best. But I did now, and I wanted to share that information with you. So if you're in a situation where coverage is the #1 important thing, you want to know which paint to get if you're in a Benjamin Moore store. So we put 3 different backgrounds. We have a dark brown background, a slightly off-white background, and a mid-tone background to see how 1 coat would cover, how 2 coats would cover. And I applied the paint, but when I put the paint on, I didn't know what paint I was putting on. I labeled the cans as 1, and underneath the can I had what type of paint it was underneath the plastic can. Anyhow, long story short, I didn't know what I was putting on, and then I had 6 different judges come in, and they didn't know what they were looking at other than white semi-gloss all the way down the line. And the results were very, very interesting. Benjamin Moore Ben, the second least expensive paint, had the best coverage across the board. Over the dark color, all 6 judges said first place, best coverage. Over the mid-tone color, it got more of a mix. It got 2 first places, 2 second places, and 2 third place votes. Okay, the Command got the worst results. All the judges said this paint is the worst covering paint over the dark color. It's all straight 7th place finishes. Over the mid-tone color, it got all 7th place finishes and 1 5th place finish. So what we should get out of this test, I think, is that Benjamin Moore Ben covers the best, Command the worst. If you take the scores from both the dark color and the mid-tone color and you average it out with the judges' scores, here is the results from best coverage to worst coverage. Up this video, I just want to say one thing, that Benjamin Moore Ben is second to the lowest, a great coverage, and in Sherwin-Williams' case it was the Cashmere, which is the middle of the rung kind of paint, that had the best coverage. So when it comes to coverage, you don't always get what you pay for.